We, with the law firm Brian Cave, Just Futures Law, and others, just won the TPS early termination for Haiti case. Just today. It hasn't hit the news yet, but the order has been published. The judge said it was unlawful under the APA to terminate TPS early for Haiti, which would bring back the February 2026 termination date. Now, that literally happened a couple hours ago. We moved for partial summary judgment, so I'm not even sure if the government can appeal that, but the case, who knows, the case might be over in 2 weeks. It's complicated. We only sued on the partial vacature. The full vacature, the early vacature, the full one, the complete termination, that only happened, I think, effective today, actually. So whether TPS can eventually be terminated lawfully is a lawsuit for another day, or maybe an amendment to our current one. But what was achieved today is that the DHS Secretary can't do what they've literally never done in the history of this country and terminate TPS early when it was supposed to terminate in February. So not August, yes, February for now. And we'll see if the government appeals that. But lots of important decisions were in that. And, this comes 2 days after the Supreme Court's CASA decision, which I'll talk about soon, the birthright citizenship case, which, of course, was not about birthright citizenship at all. But there was a very important footnote in the majority opinion and in Kavanaugh's concurrence about how, okay, no more nationwide injunctions in immigration, it seems, but APA, Administrative Procedure Act, set aside and vacatures, fair game, to paraphrase. So this judge clearly had a decision drafted, waited for the Supreme Court's decision, found the APA stuff. Our case, of course, travels under the Administrative Procedures Act, and issued this decision. And, of course, he's relying on Kavanaugh's concurrence and the other language in CASA. So this might be the first decision post-CASA about nationwide relief. Now, this is nationwide APA set-aside, but for the practical Haitian on the ground, it doesn't matter how you got there. So it's important that happened just a couple hours ago in the Eastern District of New York.